What is up mga Kazuki, and welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day today. Look at this. So this is my first time vlogging in the spring. Oh, I'm so happy that it's a very nice day, but I am so sad at the same time because our beloved Papa Smurf is going today. I actually sold her, and now it's gonna go to the new owner. So right now I'm just waiting for the new owner to come by and pick it up. We have a lot of memories with this bike, but now she's going. But I don't know what type of bike that I'm gonna get next, but hopefully it's gonna be as good as this beloved Suzuki. Alright mga Kazuki, that time has finally come. So right now we are on the way to this tax and title place so we can get this title transfer to the new owner. And by the way, he's a pretty nice guy, so I think this bike is gonna go to a good person. But definitely I am going to miss this bike. I got so many plans for this bike, but sometimes we do have to move on, right? You know what happens? Life happened, right? Yeah, so we have so much memory on this bike. We're gonna move on, and I think it's time to make some new memories on the future bike that we are going to buy. Oh my god, I can't believe that I am having my last ride with Papa Smurf. Woo! I'm gonna miss this bike, man. Alright, so we are here at the tax and title. You gotta say goodbye to this beautiful bike. Here you go, man. New proud owner.